Right then, here we are in the stand, out in the rain, on the slippy deck. I've lived in a boat. Mocked up a rough and ready tank stand, filled it with oily petrol, just have it running, and there you go. One carburetor on it, got a Bing on it and not a Villiers. Fuel tank's a bit of a mess, but it's a tank. It runs really smooth considering. Right, I've slowed it down as much as I can now without the water circulating. If it was any slower than that and the water stopped pumping. Had a good run for a good 10 minutes and it runs alright. But many problems with this engine. Major one, someone has mullered, get up here, someone's mullered the crankshaft. The bearing on the thread on the end has been mullered, but it won't tighten up. Beyond repair that, so I'm going to have to do a dodge with it. So that's enough of this little British Seagull now. We'll let it run out of fuel just to annoy the neighbours. And start something else. Stay tuned, guys. Now we can see the issue with the end of the crankshaft. That nut is an M12 metric. Shouldn't be on there because it's not the right one. But look at the thread. Someone's really, I said a CAT scan as well. It's really mullered. Hopefully I can revive it. We'll have to see. But there's no rush. I haven't even got a boat. What's wrong, Asbo? Wow. Yeah, I know. I'll let you in a minute. It's warm when I'll let you in.